Rama 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 Bhagwan ki Yogi Ramsuratkumar ki jai. Sarvam Yogi Ramsuratkumar Arpanastu. Offering our grateful pranams for this powerful session of Nama Sankirtan at the lotus feet of Bhagwan. We have expressed our endless gratitude for this grace that is enormous. We have been able to do it because of His grace, and that we should celebrate always this grace that makes it possible. And now, we all know that the Shabda Brahman, the beginning, when it was only pure awareness, the creation started with the Shabda, the Pranava, Om. Out of this sound, the manifestation began. All manifestations of the cosmos, they came only out of the sound. And so, the Nama is Nama Brahman. When we chant the name, it is the all-pervasive, all-knowing, all-powerful Brahman that we are inviting into our being. When the ocean was churned by the Devas and Asuras, the nectar came out of it. We all know the story, but even after taking this nectar, the Devas continued to have troubles. They had still anger and fear, and they had to fight out the troubles from the Asuras. But Namamrit, the nectar of Nama, once it drowns us into its sweetness, there is no trouble at all of any kind. And it's only Anandam, Paramanandam, always. And in Shravana, we only listen to the singing. But when you do Sankirtan, like we have been doing, there is at once chanting the name and listening to the name. So Sankirtan becomes very, very powerful. Tulsidas ji says that Nama is above the Saguna Brahman and Nirguna Brahman. Nama has both in subjection. And now, Sitaramadas Swami, a Bengali by birth, he was in the grip of divine madness. And he was chanting all the time, Sitaram, Sitaram, and Ram Ram. Bhagwan loved him so much that one day when I was there in the Sannidhi Street house, all of a sudden he got up, went inside, and came out with a book. And it was written there as the title, Nami Kivani. Nami is the deity of the Nama. Vani means voice. So it is the voice of the divine. And it was full of statements, the teachings of Sitaram Swami, whom Bhagwan loved very much. It was a Hindi book. He made me read it out to him. And after that he said, I begged him to take it home for 2 days. I was afraid he would say no, because he never did anything of the sort before. But then surprisingly he said, okay, you take it, but bring it back. Don't forget to give it back to this beggar. And then he smiled. Of course, I came home and read every bit of it. And then when I went to return it, he said, no, you can keep it. And I would like to recite a poem of Sitaram Swami, which Bhagwan liked so much. It's in English. It runs like this. Recite the Naam, O my mind, without a break, and thou wilt find peace and conquer death. From the name has this universe come. In the name, all objects find their support. The name objectifies itself into this world. The name becomes all forms of life and moves. As man, woman, bird, beast, worm, and insect, the name in myriad forms enjoys its sport, manifesting itself as day, as night, as half month, and the 6 seasons. The name is all. It's a sun, it's a moon, it's a planet. The name is light and darkness. The basis of all things is the name. It's a river, it's a hill, it's a sea, it's a tree, it's a creeper. Remember Rama, sing Rama, and thou wilt attain the bliss eternal. O Sitaram, sing the name, sing Rama. Thou wilt attain the bliss, O Sitaram. So, we shall remember this song, which says that Nama is everything, and out of the name, the whole world, and all the worlds, all forms of life, the whole cosmos has emerged. And therefore everything in the cosmos is vibrating with the name of the divine. So let's fill up the whole day and night, if possible, with the auspicious, divine, powerful name. Now we shall submit our today's prayer. We beg you, Bhagwan, again and again, 1,000,000 times, to step into the situation and free the entire humanity from the deadly grip of this viruses and bring back a dharmic normalcy in all aspects of life. We beg you, Bhagwan, to wipe out the very foundation of the situation, the negativities of the heart. We beg you to stop the rapid spread of the disease, enter those appropriate medicines and make them work so that this crowd of viruses will be finished once for all. We beg you again for all those great warriors who have been fighting the disease day and night against all challenges of life at the very risk of their lives for the sake of others. We beg you for their protection and all-round wellness. We beg you, Bhagwan, for a boost to our economy and above all, for constant remembrance of your name. We seek that attitude as a blessing from you by which we would be able to realize that we are nothing but instruments in your hands, and we would want to be the best instruments to run our everyday life as an offering to you. And finally, that ultimate grace, that supreme blessing for complete purification, so that we could see only your presence everywhere and your leelas in all happenings of life, and even the most cruel sufferings of life, your grace. We seek that eternal living from that one divinity, the one existence of all life. Jai Yogi Ramsuratkumar.